Okay, question 2. Frances needed to prepare a 5.5 molar sodium sulfate solution. How many grams of sodium sulfate does she need? Okay, so remember, molar is the same as moles per liter. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is expand 5.5 molar of sodium sulfate, and that is 5.5 moles of sodium sulfate over 1 liter. Okay, now we're looking for grams though. So how do we convert moles to grams? I'll let you think about that one for a minute. We use molar mass. So we go to the periodic table and we see that sodium is about 23 grams for 1 mole. Sulfur is 32 grams for 1 mole, and oxygen is about 16 grams for 1 mole. So what we do is we look at the formula Na2, so that means there's two sodiums at 23 grams each, and that's 46 grams. There's 1 sulfur at 32 grams, and then there's 4 oxygens at 16 grams. So you add those all up and you get 142 grams. Okay, so our conversion factor is 1 mole of sodium sulfate is the same as 142 grams of sodium sulfate, or 142 grams of sodium sulfate over 1 mole of sodium sulfate. So which one do we want? We'll go back up to our original. We're trying to convert to grams, so we have moles here, so we're going to want moles down in the denominator. So we're going to take this and multiply those two. So if you look at that, moles and moles cancel. You'll end up with grams for 1 liter. You multiply those across, and the answer is 781 grams of sodium sulfate. That's question 2.